Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. So today, I'm going to make something delicious with these two beauties. I'm going to make cheesy zucchini breadsticks. You will not want to miss this, so hang with me because you know what time it is. It is time to get cooking. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grate my zucchini using a box grater. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my zucchini, I'm going to place it in a paper towel because I want to squeeze out as much of the water as I can. I'm going to take the zucchini and I'm going to place it in a bowl. Okay, so now to my zucchini, I'm going to add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. I'm going to add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and then I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper. All right, then I'm just going to mix this all together. All right, so once it's good and mixed, I have lined a baking tray with parchment paper, and I'm just going to spread this zucchini mixture out into my baking tray. All right, then I'm just going to spread it out. So this is looking good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take about another cup of this mozzarella cheese and I'm going to sprinkle all on top. And I'm also going to add a little bit of parmesan as well. All right, and then I'm going to bake in a 425-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, my zucchini breadsticks are all done. I'm just going to lift them out of the sheet pan and put them onto this cutting board here. All right, then I'm just going to take a pizza cutter and cut them into sticks. Sticking to the paper, that's not good. Oh man. I'm carefully removing them from the paper. I just wanted to show you guys that sometimes things, even for me, don't always go as planned. And back onto my sheet tray. And then I'm going to put them back in the oven for just a little bit longer just to see if I can dry them out a little. All right, so I'm just keeping it real. I could have edited this video to make it look like that the zucchini breadsticks came out perfect, but I didn't want to do that. Not everything does, not even for me. Things sometimes just don't turn out the way you want them to or that you think they should. So don't give up. Don't throw your hands in the air when that happens. I am trying to salvage these zucchini breadsticks, trying to dry them out just a bit by putting them back in the oven because I know that they are going to be delicious. So just thought I'd share that. But they look good. So now I'm going to let them cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer them over to this. They have dried out quite a bit. I mean, I can hold them in my hand. I'm going to dip dip them into some pizza sauce, and then I'm going to give them a taste. Wow. They may not have turned out just perfect. I'm going to kind of fold them. But boy, oh boy, they sure taste good. Well, if you give these a try, I would suggest to just spread them a little bit thinner. I think that might be the best bet. But thanks for letting me just keep it real with you all. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.